Hello, everybody, and welcome. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the vocabulary we talked about yesterday. Here we're going to be talking about Investigation 2 packet, Chapter 4. And so first we talk about corresponding sides and corresponding angles, which is what we just went over in the exit ticket. So corresponding sides are sides in the same position. So we see AB and EF. And then if we look at angles, we have angle A and angle E are in the same relative position, meaning that they line up with each other. All right, remember a ratio is a comparison of two quantities, and this is often written as a fraction. So equivalent ratios are when both fractions can be reduced to the same simplest form fraction. So if we look over here on the left side of our screens, we see that 9 over 12, or the length of QR over LM, reduces to 3 over 4. And then RS over MN reduces to 3 over 4 as well. And so does QS over LN. So notice they all reduce to 3/4, therefore they are equivalent ratios. Proportions. That's an equation stating that two ratios are equal. All right, and it could be two or more ratios. So if we're comparing three sides, we have to make sure that they're all in proportion to each other in order for that figure to be similar. Scale drawings, that's when we draw a little picture of a house. And so my picture might only be 8.5 inches tall, but obviously the house is going to be a little bit bigger when I build it, right? It's not going to be in inches. And so that's why we see here our scale is from 2 inches to 5 feet. And it's scaled up, obviously, right? Or if you were to draw a picture of it, then you'd scale it down. And then a scale factor is what you would multiply each side by. And so here in this case, we multiply the triangle on the left side by 2. We multiply 8, 6, and 9, each by 2, to get our new sides. So with similar figures, two or more figures that have corresponding angles of equal measure and the ratios of each pair of corresponding sides are the same. All right, so notice we're going from 4.4 to 2.2, that's half. We're going from 3.8 to 1.9, that's half. And so we have equivalent ratios there. We're multiplying by 1/2 or 0.5 to get to our new figure. And then over here we have our original figure on the left side, figure 1. And then we have our second figure on the right side, figure 2. And so it's the original that we start with, and then the image that we go to. So the figure that results from some transformation of an original image is going to be the copy or the image. Could be rotated, could be scaled up or down. So that's the vocabulary we're talking about today. Thank you very much.